of नागपुर's most happening Facebook live show. शो का नाम है राज की बात, Women of the Year के साथ. Really want to thank Parik Brother Jewelers presenting Raj Ki Baat Women of the Year in association with Stylix Kitchens and Wardrobes. A big thank you to We Herbs and also our products of We Herbs. Good job, Nafisa Cycle Wala, doing a good job with making good products of herbal products. Can't forget to thank Preet Design Studio. That store is only for women who want to look pretty and beautiful. It's just opposite Liberty Theatre. Thank you. One of the best butter chickens and paneer butter masala you get at Nandanwan at Chakna East. Yeah, and Stylix Kitchens and Wardrobes. चलिए मुलाकात करते हैं, बात करते हैं विद आज की हमारी विमेन ऑफ द ईयर. शी इज बीन एन आर्किटेक्ट फॉर पास्ट 20 years practicing and also teaching for past 15 years into the field of architecture. She's a social worker, she is a pageant winner, she is one lady with whom you can sit, talk for years, for decades and learn a lot. 2 minutes with architect Radhika Pathak is also with great value and great learnings. Please welcome my guest, my super women of the year, architect Radhika Pathak. Hello ma'am.
Hello, hi Raj.
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
Super. आपने मुझे पूछा नहीं लेकिन मैंने फिर भी बोल दिया I'm good because I'm feeling good.
And thank you so much for inviting me here and such a lovely introduction. Thank you so
मैम
much.
ये इंट्रोडक्शन कुछ भी नहीं है, मैं जितनी तारीफ करूँ उतनी कम है.
Thank
लेकिन जब राधिका जी छोटी थी तब क्या सपने थे, क्या बनना था, क्या हमेशा से सोचा था कि यू वांट टू बी एन आर्किटेक्ट? डू यू कम फ्रॉम अ फैमिली ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर?
No, I don't have any background of architecture. My father is retired conservator of forest. So government job था उनका, तो we were always moving from one place to another place. So I think that is why I am very social and vocal and open. Right. So when I was small, basically I wanted to be a doctor, but somehow my inclination changed, and धीरे धीरे I was inclined towards something creative, something which I can imagine and create. So I entered into architecture. So ऐसे कुछ नहीं, बचपन से ही मेरा सपना था. But yes, when I grown up, so I wanted to be an architect, and I am an architect, and I'm enjoying my profession.
Ma'am, when you know a person who has this inclination towards becoming an architect or an interior designer for that, ma'am कहीं ना कहीं एक एक talent, एक inclination towards art, culture ये रहता ही है.
Yes,
क्या
yes.
हमेशा से था?
Yes, to be an architect or interior designer or any designer, I can say there has to be some inclination, aptitude towards the creativity.
Absolutely.
And that is why we when the student enters in architecture, he has to give exam, that is entrance exam NATA. इसको बोलते हैं. तो they have to clear the exam just to see the aptitude of the student. तो वो अगर clear करते हैं तो then they get admission in architecture. So yes, a creative mind, imaginative mind has to be there. Of course, there has to be sensitivity towards humankind. There has to be sensitivity towards your environment, sustainability, etc. So that all
matters.
Culture, of course, you have to be sensitive about your culture, traditions,
तो आपका inclination था?
Yes, of course. I think I was always sensitive about all these things. So I was, yes.
तो फिर आपने अपना आर्किटेक्चर कहाँ से किया?
मैंने प्रियदर्शनी कॉलेज से ही आर्किटेक्चर किया, जहाँ पे मैं पढ़ाती हूँ. प्रियदर्शनी इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर एंड डिजाइन स्टडीज अभी उसका नाम है. सो आई एम ग्रेजुएटेड फ्रॉम प्रियदर्शनी कॉलेज. देन आई डिड माय पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन एमटेक इन अर्बन प्लानिंग फ्रॉम VNIT कॉलेज नागपुर.
मैम, अर्बन प्लानिंग की आपने बात की अभी. तो सबसे अर्बन प्लानिंग के बारे में आपसे कुछ पूछना चाहूंगा, लेकिन उससे पहले मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहूंगा कि एक जगह जहाँ पे आपने पढ़ाई की वहीं पे आप पढ़ा रही हैं. कितना मजा आ रहा है?
बहुत मजा आ रहा है. Because like I was born, I can say that I am born and brought up from Priyadarshini College. Like जहाँ पे as an architect I was born. I'm doing my job there only. So I'm really enjoying it. इट्स माय ओन कॉलेज.
यस. तो क्या सैलरी ज्यादा मिलती है अगर स्टूडेंट ही टीचर बन जाए?
नहीं नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. सैलरी तो जितनी है उतनी ही होती है. बट यस, एक थोड़ा सा इम्पोर्टेंस तो होता है कि इस कॉलेज के एलुमनाई है, एंड टीचर को भी थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्ट ज्यादा होता है, बिकॉज वो अपना खुद का कॉलेज है. कभी हम भी वहाँ पे पढ़े थे, हमारे टीचर्स भी हमारे साथ अभी कलीग्स है. सो दैट्स रियल फन, यू नो, लाइक जो आई हैड माई क्लासमेट्स हु आर ऑल्सो माई कलीग्स नाउ. सो वी ऑलवेज यूज टू रिकॉल पुराने वाली बातें. फिर ये मैम वो मैम और वो सर आज भी हमारे साथ हमारे कलीग्स हैं. सो इट्स डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस.
मैम, आप चाहती तो आप प्योर प्रैक्टिस भी कर सकती थी. आपने पढ़ाने की तरफ क्यों अपना रुझान किया?
क्योंकि मैंने बोला शुरू से ही मुझे बहुत इंटरेस्ट था टीचिंग करने में, यू नो, लाइक बिकॉज आई थिंक इट्स वेरी लाइवली फील्ड, यू नो, लाइक यू ऑलवेज keep yourself updated first of all, then when you are around with the young generation always, so you are also always updated and very active, so it gives you different vibes, you know. So इसलिए मैंने ये फील्ड चूज किया था, and still I am there along with my practice.
मैम, एक पेजेंट में अपने आप को लेकर आना, ये क्या हुआ? मतलब आप बढ़िया अपना काम कर रही थी, आर्किटेक्चर प्रैक्टिस कर रही थी, लोगों के घर, लोगों के कमर्शियल प्रॉपर्टीज को खूबसूरत बनाने का काम कर रही थी, फिर आप लोगों को आर्किटेक्चर के लिए तैयार भी कर रही थी, पढ़ा भी नहीं थी. ये ब्यूटी पेजेंट ये कहाँ आ गया?
ये तो मेरे लिए भी एक अचानक से ट्विस्ट आ गया था लाइफ में. एक्चुअली कभी सोचा नहीं था मैंने सीरियसली कि ऐसा मैं कुछ करूंगी, या कुछ ऐसा सपना वगैरह भी नहीं था मेरा. बट यस, आफ्टर पर्टिकुलर पीरियड, है ना, आप एक पर्टिकुलर लेवल पे आ जाते हैं. नॉट ओनली विद फीमेल्स, एवरीवन फील्स दैट कि यार बहुत हो गया रूटीन लाइफ, एंड वही चीजें मैं कर रही हूँ. आई वांट टू डू समथिंग डिफरेंट देन व्हाट आई एम डूइंग राइट नाउ. कुछ तो हटके करना है. तो क्या करना है वो पता नहीं था, बट समथिंग आई वाज ऑलवेज थिंकिंग कि कुछ करना है. एंड वन फाइन डे आई केम अक्रॉस वन फ्लायर इन अ ग्रुप कि मिसेस महाराष्ट्र शो है, नागपुर में होने वाला है, एंड लाइक ऑडिशंस आर आल्सो देयर व्हिच आर इन नागपुर ओनली. सो सोचा कि चलो ना करके देखते. ऑडिशन देने में प्रॉब्लम क्या है, ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या, लाइक दे विल रिजेक्ट. अपना तो प्रोफेशन है नहीं. सो आई जस्ट कैजुअली,
होने के लिए कुछ नहीं है,
होने के लिए कुछ नहीं था. तो आई जस्ट कैजुअली वेंट एंड गिव माय ऑडिशन. आई वाज सिलेक्टेड. देन आई एंटर्ड इनटू वो सब उनके राउंड्स एंड ग्रूमिंग सेशंस एक्सेट्रा. एंड इन दैट शो आई वाज रनर अप. So that is the start point of my journey. You know, after that then opportunities came. ऑफर्स आते थे, अपॉर्चुनिटीज आती थी. सो whenever, however it was possible, I tried to grab those opportunities, and like that I started enjoying also, of course. And I started feeling कि yes, I am doing something different and something which I am liking.
Right.
It's not only doing something different, it's about you should like also, you should enjoy it also, you know, like like that it started.
Ma'am, because you are also you know, into this profession of teaching for past 15 years, you might have been through a lot of female students who are now married and things like that. There is a sudden twist in our society when it comes to marriage also. The number of people who were outside the family court, sometimes you know, the number you see inside the family court is high. The number of divorces are increasing.
Yes.
What's because you are a professional and a lady, a mother, a wife. I would really like to know what's your perspective. Why are the number of divorces increasing?
Yes, definitely. This problem is increasing day by day. And I think our social structure or maybe social mentality is the reason of this divorces in our society. You know, like this is my personal opinion that nowadays we are raising our girls like you have to be independent, you have to earn money, you have to get educated, and like a boy, you know, like there is no gender difference कि girl है, boy है, आपको घर चलाना है, आपको पैसा कमाना है, you know, like आप अगर पढ़ाई कर रहे हो तो you have to be on your own and you should be totally independent. Right. But and she becomes like that because as a parent we raise our daughters like that, but we are failing somewhere raising our sons in that way कि now she is also equal to you and she is also like don't expect that she will only do all the chores घर के भी बाहर के भी पैसे भी कमाए. So I think there are some conflicts at home on these grounds. So we need to raise our sons also how and what you should expect from your wife. This is one of the reason, and another reason is irrespective of gender, you know, like nowadays in our generation, आज के generation में ना sensitivity, level of understanding each other, all these things are lacking behind, you know, like people are like मेरे मन का नहीं हुआ तो छोड़ दिया, like they don't want adjust करना, compromise करना. I'm not saying that you should compromise and you should adjust at the cost of your happiness, you know, but वो जो एक threshold level है ना, so that is there is some problem, you know, like people don't want, they want to be independent, I think totally.
ये एक this is a Radhika Pathak perspective or a psychologist का perspective, because you are also a psychologist.
I am not different than like I am a personality, so
Right.
which includes an architect and beauty pageant, a mother, a wife, and psychologist, an artist, everything. You know, तो जो भी मैं बोल रही हूँ, it's all together. You know, like it's an integrated personality talking to you.
ये जो आपने भी आर्टिस्ट वाली बात की, you know, आपका मी टाइम क्या होता है?
मेरा
Is it giving time to your designs, your work, or?
Mera me time is only my me time, you know, like then in my me time one more thing which I rigorously and without fail do, that I'm a fitness freak, so my me time is my gym time first of all. Then whenever I get time I do my paintings, and otherwise I just relax. I spend time with my family, and I give time to myself also. I pamper myself. I go to I just like
You go to shopping and all?
shopping and go to movie and spend time with my friends, party. So that is my me time.
One friend you cannot live without?
Myself.
Oh, you are your best friend?
Yes.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Do you?
Yeah.
Ji.
Because I think like if you are not friends with you, you don't love yourself, how will you love someone else, or how can someone else love you? So for you, you should be the first person in your life. That's what.
Okay. When it comes to, you know, who inspires you the most in life? Who inspires Radhika Pathak?
There are many inspirational people in my life, but I can't tell you a specific name. Yes, but I think I never compare myself with anyone. I don't want to be someone, never. But my competition is with me only. I always strive to be a better person. I want to develop my personality better than the earlier. So that is what inspires me.
ये जो you know एक पेजेंट का जो एक डार्कर साइड है, मैं उस पर थोड़ी सी बात करना चाहता हूँ आपसे कि you know pageants are generally for these you know girls who are you know for looking you know for a different pageant altogether. miss वाले जो टैग्स होते हैं, है ना, उसके बाद मिसेज शुरू हुआ.
Right.
ये पेजेंट्स क्या बदलाव लेकर आते हैं? एक जो कई सारी महिलाएं ऐसी होंगी जो अभी भी you know पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करना चाहती होंगी. They don't want to participate. They want to keep themselves, you know, far from this.
Yeah.
But they might think that I'm very eligible to become one Mrs. Maharashtra.
Yes, of
Probably.
course. Yes.
तो क्या चेंज करता है?
So, Raj, I would say कि when you participate in a beauty pageant or similar kind of shows, yes, definitely that is the self-development, I can say. It's a part of your self-development. You become a different personality. You know, like you start with a different journey, and day by day you change your personality. And I think, yes, I have also experienced the same thing. But everyone may not be able to participate. Everyone don't want to participate. participate, that is their choice. But yes, definitely they can take inspiration from other stories. They can take inspiration from looking at others, and they can implement the same things in their own lives to change their personality, to grow in their life. You know, like it's not every time necessary that you should participate and do a betterment.
But what about victory? What about losing? What about winning?
Losing, winning, victory तो होता रहता है. That should not mind. That should not be the judging point. You know, like in your life. The
Participation is more important.
Important is participation and the journey through which you are going, because I said it's a self upgradation. It's a personality upgradation. तो आप जीतते हैं या हारे हैं, it doesn't matter. Your personality upgrade होती है. So I will say कि it's not about winning and victory, everything.
आपकी
It's
नजर
about
में
only about the confidence, you know, you develop the confidence through that.
आपकी नजर में राधिका पाठक कैसी है?
बहुत अच्छी है. मतलब
As a person.
I think I'm a very straightforward and very simple person. And that is what people say to me, that I'm very straightforward and I'm simple.
और कई बार क्या ऐसा हुआ है कि you being straightforward has hurt someone?
Yeah, many times it हुआ है, होता है. Being straightforward sometimes hurt people, but that is not your intention. But जब भी ये हुआ है, I said sorry also. Like I talked to the person and I said sorry to that person कि sorry I have hurted you. So being straightforward is very difficult, I can say, Raj, because sometimes you may hurt someone. तो आपको वो थोड़ा सा बहुत सोच समझ के बात करना पड़ता है when you are very straightforward.
What makes you happy?
What makes me happy? You know, my family makes me happy. My kids, looking at my kids. When my husband comes home, I'm happy. That's it. Yeah.
How many years of your marriage?
21 years.
21
yeah,
years.
more than 21. 2001. I married in 2001.
So it's 23.
23 years, sorry.
23 in total, yeah? Okay. So, and what's your husband's name?
Sandeep.
Sandeep Pathak.
Yeah.
Okay. So, in these past 23 years, I'm sure Mr. Sandeep Pathak might have learned a lot from you. What have you learned from him?
Yeah, I have learned many things from him. He is very hardworking and he is a self-made man, you know. So I am so proud of him. He is a self-made man. He is very hardworking, very sincere and very punctual, and he is very particular about his work. At the same time, he loves his family, me, kids. He is a family-oriented guy. So that is things to be learned about him.
Do you have a political opinion? I'm not asking you what is an opinion, but do you have one?
Political opinion. Yes, like I don't express my political opinion
Except
in public.
the time you vote?
But you know, like everyone have their own choice, and
You do
I
have a
don't
choice?
enjoy. Yes, yes, of course I have my own choice, and I am very much particular about it, very much firm about it. But I don't generally get indulged into the political arguments, because it doesn't lead you anywhere, है ना?
Right.
क्योंकि हर एक को अपना अपना एक point of view होता है,
जो prove करना होता है,
जो उनको prove करना ही होता है, हमको भी करना होता है. So let us not talk about it करके मैं छोड़ देती हूँ.
आप कौन सा एक ऐसा वक्त है आपके जीवन का जो याद आप नहीं करना चाहती, या वो एक बड़ा चैलेंजिंग दौर था आपके जीवन का?
हाँ था. हर एक के लाइफ में एक चैलेंजिंग टाइम आता है एंड एक बैड टाइम, बैड फेज आता है. नोबडीज लाइफ इज वेरी स्मूथ एंड परफेक्ट एंड क्रिस्टल क्लियर. अप्स एंड डाउन्स हर एक के लाइफ में आते हैं. यस, आई ऑल्सो हैव सम पीरियड विच आई डोंट want to recall and don't want to talk about it. Yes, I also have that.
And how did you come out of it?
Through the developing self confidence and by positive thinking, because I think when bad times come, या जहाँ पे भी आपको challenges लगते हैं, you have to be always positive, you know, like because positive things attract positiveness.
Absolutely.
So it's law of attraction. So be positive about everything, so you will come out of bad phase one day. I am sure about it.
What kicks you out of the bed every morning?
What kicks? Actually, I like sleeping so much, but morning 6 o'clock I come out of bed. And initially when my kids were small तो जबरदस्ती उठना ही पड़ता था स्कूल के लिए. But now my college is थोड़ा सा late तो I can sleep for some more time. But मुझे फिर याद आता है नहीं मुझे morning walk के लिए जाना है. So that takes me out of my bed.
When you are on the roads, what upsets you most?
The way reckless driving of youngsters, I will not blame only youngsters. Yes, reckless drivers, especially on bikers जो होते हैं वो, and the people who don't follow the traffic rules. Simple traffic rules है जिसको पढ़ाने की सिखाने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. Like green है तो जाओ, red है तो रुको. But people even don't follow that. So that annoys me a lot. I mean मुझे लगता है कि क्या है मतलब इनको कुछ भी they don't have any courtesy to stay back and they are totally uneducated. अच्छे educated लोग are uneducated as far as traffic is concerned.
What's tomorrow? What are the plannings?
Tomorrow plannings like regarding what, like
Regarding life, regarding career.
Yes,
being 15 years of teaching.
I think every person should move on. We have a beautiful journey every day. We have something to see tomorrow, but you should not stop. You know, like if you accomplish one aim or objective, you should move again. You should have another objective, another destination to start a new journey. Because if you stop, so your growth is stopped.
So what's in the bucket list?
Nothing special. Like I take my life as it comes, and I just want to be happy in my life. That is my bucket list. Happy, healthy. Yes.
One place you want to take Mr. Sandeep Pathak along, what place would that be?
That will be my home. Because you know most of the times when he is away from home तो मुझे लगेगा कि yes घर में time spend करेंगे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. But still every time every year we travel a lot. बहुत कुछ countries देख चुके हैं, बहुत कुछ जगह पे. Every time we traveling is our hobby. So we always go every now.
But you want to keep him in home?
Yes.
Okay, your song of life.
Song of life.
One song you can sing in any mood you are into.
किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार.
Okay, amazing, amazing. ये मेरा आखिरी सवाल होगा. जिंदगी की सुनहरी किताब लिखी जाती और उस किताब के सुनहरे पन्ने पर ये नाम लिखा जाता, आर्किटेक्ट राधिका पाठक. उसके नीचे क्या ऐसा लिखा रहना चाहिए जिसे पढ़ने के बाद लोग आपको हमेशा याद करें?
Yes, I will say जो मेरे विजिटिंग कार्ड पे भी लिखा है मैंने कि this life is amazing, so always have positive vibes around you. That's it.
आप जो भी आपने किया, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि प्रोफेशनली जो पढ़ाने का काम आप करती हैं, यू नो आप सोशली जो सोशल वर्क करने का काम करती हैं, जो आप महिलाओं को इंस्पायर करने का काम करती हैं, स्टूडेंट्स को इंस्पायर करने का काम करती हैं, वो तारीफ काबिल है. But the most important thing, and I really, this would be one of those interviews I'll always remember in life. That one lady I met and I can speak to her for years, and watches and clocks to come. But then you are such an amazing speaker. You have a great, I think you have a great clarity. You're like water. Yeah, you're water.
Thank you so much.
And I wish you all the very best.
That is your perspective. Thank you so much.
And I wish you all the very best, that you climb all those mountains of life and achieve everything which you want to. उम्मीद है कि आप ऐसे ही लोगों को इंस्पायर करती रहें और आपके जैसे लोग हमारे शो पर आएँ और हमारे शो का जो लेवल है उसको थोड़ा सा और बढ़ाने में मदद करें. आपने अपना वक्त दिया, आप यहाँ पर आई, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
Thank you so much, Raj. Thank you so much. And this show is really amazing. I watched this show since long, so it's a great platform for not only females, but I have seen that you have interviewed students also. You have interviewed kuch street vendors and all. So it's a really good opportunity for everyone to express themselves on this platform. and where money matters are not involved. So that is the beauty of this particular show.
Thank you.
Yeah, really, thank you so much.
ऑनर, थैंक यू सो मच मैम।
Thank you.
आर्किटेक्ट राधिका पाठक से बात हुई, मुलाकात हुई इन दिस एक्सक्लूसिव एपिसोड ऑफ राज की बात। राज कपूर का गाना, आय हाय, वो गाना अगर आप उसके वर्डिंग्स में जाएं तो किसी वो बड़ा खूबसूरत लिखा है। मैं हमेशा एक चीज़ भूल जाता हूँ और वो है कि ये गाना किसने लिखा है, लेकिन बड़ा खूबसूरत लिखा है कि किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, इसी के वास्ते हो अगर तेरे दिल में प्यार, तो जीना इसी का नाम है। और वाकई में जीना इसी का नाम। आज राधिका पाठक अपने जीवन में शायद थोड़ा सा और अच्छा काम करके विदेश जाके सेटल हो सकती थी, चाहती तो कर सकती थी, पर उन्होंने भारत चुना, उन्होंने अपने लोग चुने। कई सारी ऐसी महिलाएं हैं जो जीवन में एक अलग उपलब्धि हासिल कर सकती थी, फिर भी उन्होंने चुनाव जो है वो अपने लोगों को किया। राधिका पाठक जैसी महिलाएं जब समाज में आती हैं तो बहुत सारी लड़कियों के लिए ना एक उम्मीद जगती है कि हम भी इनके पद चिन्हों पे चलें, हम भी एक दिन राधिका पाठक बने। आपसे फिर होगी मुलाकात इन राज की बात। तब तक आप अपना ध्यान रखें, सुरक्षित रहें, स्वच्छ रहें, स्वस्थ रहें, मस्त रहें, खुश रहें, व्यस्त रहें, परिवार के साथ एक अच्छा वक्त बिताएं। और अगर आपके परिवार में एक ऐसी बिटिया है जो जीवन को और जीवनी को बड़े करीब से समझती है, उसे अपने बातों में इनकलकेट करके लोगों को एग्जाम्पल स्वरूप देकर उन्हें वाकई में सही मायनों में जिंदगी समझाने की कोशिश करती है, जिससे समझने के बाद लोगों की जिंदगी बेहतरी की तरफ जाती है, तो समझिए वो राधिका पाठक बन रही है। हर घर में एक ऐसी राधिका जरूरी है। जिंदा रहें। जय हिंद।